For the last decade, the photography world has been divided. On one side, you have the full-frame shooters, fast, versatile, and practical. On the other, you have the medium-format purists, those who sacrifice speed for that unmistakable, breathtaking resolution. But as we move into 2026, those lines aren't just blurring, they are being erased. We are standing at the threshold of a new era in imaging. Sony is preparing to launch a camera that doesn't just iterate on the past, it intends to dominate the future. This is the Sony A7R VI. It is a device rumored to carry so much resolving power that it could effectively kill the mid-range medium format market. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It is a camera designed for the pixel peepers, the landscape masters, and the commercial titans who refuse to compromise. But is it too much? Or is it exactly what we've been waiting for? To understand the weight of the A7R VI, we have to look back at the lineage of the R series. R stands for resolution. When the A7R IV dropped, it shook the industry with 61 megapixels. At the time, we thought we had hit the ceiling for full-frame sensors. Then the A7R VI arrived, and while it kept the same sensor, it introduced a revolutionary AI processing unit. It was a thinking camera. But now, in 2026, the A7R VI is starting to feel its age in one specific area: the sensor architecture. The world has moved on to stacked and partially stacked sensors. We want speed and resolution. We want the world in high fidelity, and we want it at 10 frames per second without the jello effect. Sony has heard the whispers, and the A7R VI is their answer. The headline feature, the one that has every landscape photographer in the US checking their bank balance, is the rumored sensor jump. We are looking at a potential 80 to 100 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor. Let that number sink in. 100 megapixels on a full-frame sensor. This would mean you could crop into 50% of your frame and still have more resolution than a flagship professional sports camera. It means the ability to print gallery-sized murals with detail so sharp you can see the texture of a leaf from 50 feet away. But resolution is a double-edged sword. More pixels usually mean more noise and slower readout speeds. This is where Sony's engineering magic comes in. Rumors suggest the A7R VI will utilize a partially stacked architecture. This is the middle ground between the traditional sensors and the ultra-expensive global shutters. By stacking the memory directly onto the sensor, Sony can achieve readout speeds that were previously impossible at these resolutions. This solves the rolling shutter issue that plagued high-res cameras of the past. Imagine shooting a high-speed fashion show or a bird in flight at 80 megapixels without the background warping or the wings looking like boomerangs. This isn't just a resolution bump, it's a usability revolution. But a sensor is only as good as the brain behind it. The A7R VI is expected to debut the BIONZ XR2 processor, paired with a dual-core AI processing unit. This is intelligence on a level we haven't seen. The A7R VI could recognize humans, animals, and insects. The A7R VI is rumored to feature intent prediction. Using deep learning, the camera won't just track a subject. It will anticipate where that subject is moving based on its skeletal structure and